Hi, Eric at Redline Injectors. Today we're going to take a quick look at how we create profiles for new GDI injectors. On the GDRX machine, when you encounter an injector that's not loaded into the machine, you need to create a new profile for it. That's typically done by identifying the high and low ranges at which they operate, typically by testing series of injectors or by getting the numbers from someone else. Those numbers are then put in for various tests to create new calculated values based on those ranges to create the profile. This is one of many screens that you do the data entry to, but it's fairly typical. So assuming you can work out how to do the calculations, you would put them in here. The challenge is the calculations are not as straightforward as they seem. They're percentages and ratios. The problem is there's multiple percentage and ratios. Then you need to create a formula based on those. It seems straightforward, but it's really not. Additionally, the machine does make some mistakes when it calculates some values for it, like these values over here. It gives you the ability to override them. So we worked out how this is calculated correctly and simply created some software to do it because it is extremely tedious and error prone to try to do it manually. So assuming you know the ranges, let's say 126.9. Incidentally, this is for an actual injector. This is for a Fomico injector on the E-Tech engines, and the high is 137.1, for example. And there we go. It will give you these values. We simply put these values into the machine, and they are 100% accurate every single time because it's done through software with formulas that we have edited.